You're watching my natural hair journey here on Simply Shev. Coming up is my maintenance routine on mini twists. It is week 4 on the mini twist challenge here on Simply Shev, where I'm showing you how to use mini twists to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. Let's get into today's video. So because I was having so much frizz from my mini twist, I decided to go ahead and do my signature style, which is to braid my hair and twist the back. Because my hair was really twisted at the back, this was a really easy style to do, and I did simple cornrows. The very first mini twist challenge that I did on this channel has this style being installed, so I tried to link that video here. But as you can see, it's just some simple cornrows just to neaten up the style, just to make it look more presentable. 4 weeks into this challenge, the time has really flown by. You can see that I'm starting to get some growth and the twists at the back look quite good. So with my newly braided front section, I'm able to get a few more weeks out of this style, which was the plan. I want to say welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. Thank you so much. I do hope you are finding the mini twist challenge or the content on mini twist useful. If you are, do go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Here on Simply Shev, I make videos on how to grow natural hair, grow type 4 natural hair. So yeah, my feelings so far on the challenge, the weeks are running by and it's going really well and I'm getting some good growth. I do promise in an upcoming videos to do some of the drawbacks of wearing mini twists, which I'm starting to find on week 4. But for today's video, I will show you how I moisturize and maintain my mini twists. As I've stated before, water is the main moisturizer that I use in my hair. On a day-to-day basis, if I go to brush my teeth and I touch my hair and I feel that it's dry, I will add water, preferably warm water in my hair because that always works. But my main leave-in of choice is S-Curl. I've always used S-Curl on this channel. As you can see, it's a really good, inexpensive leave-in conditioner and I've recommended it to friends and family and they're all saying good stuff. It's great for my particular hair type. If your hair looks like mine, if you've ever had like a sort of like a looser texture, it will work well because this was specifically designed for like jerry curls, so it was designed as a curl activator, but it works really well to moisturize my hair. That is because it contains glycerin and I absolutely love using this stuff. So S-Curl is a great moisturizer for your natural hair, for your mini twist, and in this mini twist challenge I wanted to review this specific leave-in hair tea tree moisturizer because it was gifted to my children and I've been using it on their hair and I find it really great. So it's called At One with Nature Kids. It's a shea butter moisturizer and I really love it because it's sort of like a lotion texture. Lotions always do well on my hair. Applying this to my mini twist was a great option because, as you know, the more moisture you apply to your mini twist, the more likely your hair is to start to stick together. If it's anything like mine, the more I put water on it, the more it will lock, and I'll come on to that in a later video telling you about the drawbacks of mini twist on my particular hair type. But yeah, this is more like a lotion consistency, smells great, and it really applies to the hair well. It's not expensive, so I will go ahead and add that into my Amazon store. Really good leave-in conditioner that you can use on your mini twist. Although it's marketed for children, it was perfectly suited to my hair. And as you can see, as I applied, it's almost like when you really do a shea butter mixture, sort of like water that down. That was what I was getting, that sort of feel from it, and that would be great just to apply that in and then seal that with some grease or some castor oil. Really good leave-in conditioner there for your hair. If this is your first video of mine on this channel, do go ahead and check out the playlist section. There is a playlist section for this challenge. There's also many playlist sections, including the how to grow your natural hair in 2023 mixture of videos, really talking about how I'm growing my hair this year, inspiring you how to grow your natural hair. Once again, do hit the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed, and also hit the like button. That really pushes this video up in the algorithm. Also help other ladies who are trying to grow out their natural hair. I would really like to know how you're getting on in week 4. I've posted on my channel some recipe suggestions, some regimen suggestions and routine suggestions for you. So if you have any questions, you can also comment down below how you're finding your regimen or routine. Any questions you have on mini twist, I'll be happy to help. So once I've gone in with my leave-in, the next thing for me to do is to apply my scalp care. You know, I've got to put something on my scalp because I do have dermatitis, and I try to use a product to help to keep my dandruff at bay. I've been using virgin hair fertilizer, as you know, but for this challenge I use it to keep my dandruff at bay. But I find that when I use any sulfur-based product, I do get additional growth. I have experienced quite a bit of growth. I'm going to be measuring that in my final video on this channel. Look out for that. The challenge is just zooming ahead, and I'll be telling you just how much growth I've got from using this product after 6 weeks. I have suggested using sulfurate on this challenge, but as you know, I successfully also use virgin air fertilizer. So if that's what you have to hand, just go ahead and use that. Also, you can make DIY recipes for your scalp, like peppermint, rosemary sprays, and all of that as well. We can use as your growth aid. One of the rules of this challenge is that you do use a growth aid. Do go ahead and check out the very first video on this challenge where I explain the rules of how we're going to achieve growth over this 6 weeks period. The main thing with any maintenance routine is to keep it as simple as possible. Remember, KISS, keep it simple. Sisters, you're going to make sure that you have something to hand. You don't want to make it complicated and then it's not something that you can do week on week. It's almost going to be like something that you do without thinking about it. Think about brushing your teeth. You just go and you know what to use. You want to have these products to hand so that when it's time to moisturize your hair, there is no excuse. You have these products ready to go, whether it be 3 or 4. As you can see, I'm sticking to very, very simple. I've got about 3 or 4 products that I use consistently on my hair every single week, non-negotiable. On wash days, I have a specific wash day routine. So you want to make sure with your routine and regimen that you're keeping it as simple as possible so that you are able to maintain that over a long period of time. If you make it really complicated, you won't be able to, and then you'll get discouraged and then you'll quit your natural hair journey, or you'll indeed quit any challenges that you set for yourself. And as you know, in 2023, we are growing our natural hair long, healthy and strong. You know, on this channel, I've never had long hair before. Most of the length that you see coming on is the longest my hair's ever been, and so this channel is specifically designed to motivate ladies who's never had long hair before, trying techniques, suggestions, recipe ideas, DIY ideas, growing out our natural hair, because this is the God-given hair. We want to grow out hair that we want to keep on this channel. So all of the videos that I put out is geared towards helping you to grow your natural hair. And so I've got a video coming out of my Jamaican haul. I went to Jamaica and I did a really good haul of grease. I love grease on my hair. And so I've got a grease haul coming up for you. But for this this particular day, this routine, I decided to use one of my very favorite grease. I absolutely love Pure Lean. And I've used this from when I was a child, and it really brings back memories, nostalgia. And so I love to use this. So my sealing of choice today is the Pure Lean Black Hair Grower, and this is what it looks like. And I'll be also talking to you in my grease haul about this, how much it costs, etc. You can get this in the UK. A lot of these products are available here, but I decided to go and get them all in Jamaica because that really just adds to when I use it, just bringing back all of that feeling of being back home. And so with my hair already looking beautiful and nicely moisturized, my scalp is taken care of, it's now time to seal that in. Remember, you always need to seal in any moisture that you put on your hair. This is a fantastic grease. It's quite dark. I feel like it darkens my hair, and that's because it does have castor oil in there. It's got lots of good ingredients in there. Once again, with any grease, it's got lots of not natural ingredients in, but I've always used grease on my hair and continue to do so. It gives me a lovely shine. I love the smell. I love the product. Pure Lean, if you're watching, open to being sponsored. So that is my week 4 update on this mini twist challenge. I really hope you are sticking to it and you've seen my very, very simple maintenance routine. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in the next one for week 5. Take care and God bless.